welcome back to our channel, and today we are going to show you how to make easy and effective hand sanitizer. There are two main ingredients you need for it. The first is alcohol, because that's what's gonna kill the germs. The second is aloe, because alcohol may dry out your hands and aloe will put the moisture back. Then you also need some containers and essential oil only if you want to add some fragrance.
So there are many videos out there showing you how to make hand sanitizer, and some of them are good, but some of them don't tell you all the information. The most important thing you need to remember is the CDC states that in order for hand sanitizer to be effective, it must contain at least 60% alcohol or greater. That means once you're done mixing everything together, the final product has 60% alcohol or greater. We're starting with 98% alcohol, and when we mix this with the aloe, it's going to dilute it a bit. So it's not going to be 98 when we're done. According to the recipe you're using and according to the percentage of alcohol you're using, you may have to adjust up or down. Right here is a list of the different recipes that you'll need depending on the percentage of alcohol you'll be starting with.
So we are using 98% alcohol. So I'm starting with 3/4 cup of alcohol. Let's take that. So now that's 3/4 cup of alcohol. I'm going to add 1/4 cup of aloe gel. Make sure before you start this, all the utensils you're gonna use are clean and dry. And now let's mix this. I think that's mixed enough. Now I just finished using my glow recipe, so I'm gonna use that bottle. I also have some spray bottle and some squeezy bottle. So let's fill them up.
Keep going.
Our hand sanitizers are ready, and now you can add essential oil to it. But when you're adding essential oil, make sure on the label it says it's okay to put on the skin. Like this one says do not put on the skin because it may cause irritation to the skin. For this one, I'm going to add the lavender. You just need couple of the drops, not much. Now let's shake it, and our sanitizer is ready now. Let's try it.
I hope this video was helpful and informative, so make sure you stay healthy out there.
Look at this. All the toilet papers are gone. All the cleaning supplies gone. People are just acting crazy. They need to leave some for others too. I mean, why to empty the paper plates?